At Barbados Fertility Centre, we have a state-of-the-art IVF laboratory. Our lab is cutting edge, and we're proud of the fact that we stay abreast of any new options and revelations that are made in the scientific research and development field. So beyond the initial IVF treatment cycle that was done in 1978, there have been so many developments since that now allow us to inject sperm into eggs, for example, through the ICSI technique, or indeed to genetically test embryos through PGS or PGD assessment. If we have extra embryos, we're able to vitrify these embryos and therefore store these for future pregnancies for a patient. As time has moved on, the option of being able to freeze eggs and do egg freezing has been developed. And we're delighted that over the last number of years, we have a super egg freezing program. It is so important that the viewpoint in the IVF lab is that through minor changes, tweaks and adjustments, if we can achieve a 1% better success rate, that our view is that this is a baby for someone.